Hello and welcome to Prayag Career Institute's English class। यह वीडियो स्पीक फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश के लिए है। इस वीडियो में हम आपको वेल रिसर्च 15 क्वेश्चंस कम से कम हर वीडियो में हम देते हैं। ये 15 क्वेश्चंस इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो किसी भी व्यक्ति जो बहुत ही नया स्पीकर है, न्यू लर्नर है, जो व्यक्ति अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलता है या किसी भी भाषा को नहीं बोलता है, मतलब कोई भी दूसरी भाषा सीख रहा है, एक भाषा बोलता है और दूसरी भाषा सीख रहा है, चाहे वह संस्कृत हो, हिंदी हो, इंग्लिश हो या कोई और भी भाषा हो। यदि उस व्यक्ति की फ्लुएंसी या उस व्यक्ति की भाषा को इम्प्रूव करना है या उस व्यक्ति को वह भाषा सीखने और बोलने में मदद करना है, तो इंग्लिश में ये ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं कि उस व्यक्ति को बोलने के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उसमें मदद करते हैं और उसको प्रेरित करते हैं और उसको सोचने में भी मदद करते हैं। सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम किसी भी व्यक्ति की होती है कि वह बोले तो क्या बोले, जबकि उसके पास बोलने के लिए बहुत सारा मटेरियल होता है। तो इसलिए ये 15 ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं जिनके सहारे से आप बोल सकते हैं। दूसरा यह भी है कि आफ्टर ऑल आप बोलना क्या चाहते हैं, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू स्पीक। तो जो आप बोलना चाहते हैं, जिस चीज़ के लिए आप अंग्रेजी सीख रहे हैं या कोई भी दूसरी भाषा सीख रहे हैं, उस भाषा को सीखकर आपको यह बोलना है। और तो इसलिए जो आपका जो टारगेट है भाषा सीखने का, वही चीज़ ये क्वेश्चंस बोलने में आपको मदद करते हैं। यदि आप अपनी उस बात को बोल लेते हैं जो बोलना चाहते हैं, तो इसका संदर्भ यह होता है कि आप वह भाषा सीख चुके हैं और सीख रहे हैं, आप सही तरफ उस भाषा को सीखने में जा रहे हैं। तो इसलिए ये क्वेश्चंस हैं। दूसरा, इन क्वेश्चंस के पीछे के उद्देश्य को पहचानें। जैसे इनमें इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस का मतलब है कि सिर्फ यही 15 क्वेश्चंस आपको बोलने में मदद नहीं करते हैं, बल्कि इनके पीछे के आप अगर पीछे के उद्देश्य को पहचानें तो हर क्वेश्चन ऐसा है जो आपको कम से कम 5 सेंटेंसेस तो बोलने के लिए मजबूर करता ही करता है या आपको प्रेरित करता है कम से कम 5 सेंटेंसेस बोलने के लिए। और यदि आप टीचर हैं और बच्चों को सिखा रहे हैं तो आपको सुझाव दिया जाता है कि कम से कम 5-5 सेंटेंसेस तो सभी बच्चों से बोलने के लिए इस विषय पर कहें। सिर्फ यह कोई भी क्वेश्चन सिर्फ एक सेंटेंस बोलने के लिए नहीं है। इन क्वेश्चन से एक क्वेश्चन पर जितने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सेंटेंस एक बच्चा बोल सकता है, उस दिशा में यह क्वेश्चन काम करता है। मतलब क्वेश्चन काम होना चाहिए और बच्चे को बोलने का अवसर ज़्यादा देना चाहिए। तो यह एक इस प्रकार का क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग एट द मोमेंट। अगर हम इस तरह से पूछते हैं और बच्चा कहता है कि आई एम स्टैंडिंग, सिर्फ इतनी बात नहीं है, वह कुछ और भी बोल सकता है। ठीक है, तो मतलब हम सिर्फ एक लाइन तक, किसी भी क्वेश्चन को एक लाइन तक सीमित ना रखें, बल्कि एक क्वेश्चन के बदले में हम 10 लाइनें उत्तर के रूप में प्राप्त करने की कोशिश करें। तो यह सब बात कहने के पीछे का उद्देश्य है कि ऐसे क्वेश्चंस टीचर्स भी, इन क्वेश्चंस का नेचर समझकर टीचर्स भी ऐसे और क्वेश्चंस बना सकते हैं और ऐसे क्वेश्चंस बनाए जा सकते हैं। इसके 2 फायदे हैं। एक तो यह है कि आपको बोलने में और सोचने में ये क्वेश्चंस मदद करते हैं। आपको क्या बोलना है, कुछ आपको सोचना नहीं है। जो आप रोज़ देखते हैं और जो आप पाते हैं अपने आसपास, वही आपको बोलना है। जो देखते हैं और सुनते हैं अपने आसपास, वही आपको इसमें बोलना है। दूसरा यह है कि इसमें जाने अनजाने में इन क्वेश्चंस से आपकी जो प्रैक्टिकल ग्रामर है वह अपने आप यूज़ हो रही है। अपने आप यूज़ मतलब अपने आप डेवलप हो रही है। यूज़ तो हो ही रही है, लेकिन डेवलप भी आपकी प्रैक्टिकल ग्रामर अपने आप हो रही है। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हाट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। तो जब आप प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का यूज़ आप पढ़ते हैं तो देयर आर 4 यूज़। प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस इज़ यूज्ड फॉर द programs that or for the actions that are taking place at the time of speaking. Number one, the sentences, the actions that are taking place at the time of speaking, तो वहाँ पर सिंपल प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का यूज किया जाता है. एंड कुछ ऐसे एक्शंस दैट आर नॉट टेकिंग प्लेस एट द टाइम ऑफ स्पीकिंग बट दोज डेज, दोज एक्शंस आर रनिंग दोज डेज. तो दूसरा ये होता है. तीसरा इज फॉर फ्यूचर प्रोग्राम्स के लिए प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का यूज़ किया जाता है. एंड फोर्थ थिंग इज दैट फॉर चेंजिंग सम, इफ चेंजिंग इज टेकिंग प्लेस, सम चेंज इज टेकिंग प्लेस अराउंड यू, तो उसके लिए भी प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यूज़ किया जाता है. तो इन क्वेश्चंस में लगभग आपको वो चेंजिंग प्लेस वाले तो इसमें क्वेश्चन नहीं है, लेकिन ऐसे आगे के पार्ट में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस भी दिए जा सकते हैं. तो लगभग इन चार चीज़ों को यूज़ करते हुए, मतलब प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ होता है, उन एग्जाम्पल्स को और उन चीज़ों को कवर करते हुए ये सेंटेंसेस हैं. तो अगर इन क्वेश्चन के अगर आप आंसर्स लेते हैं तो इसका मतलब है कि प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली एप्लीकेशन बच्चे को अपने आप समझ में आ गया, उसको समझाना नहीं पड़ा. अब वो उसको ग्रामर आती हो या ना आती हो, लेकिन उसको यह अगर इन क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करता है तो उसको यह समझ में आ गया कि ये सेंटेंसेस मुझे कब और कहाँ कहने हैं और इनका क्या एप्लीकेशन है, कहाँ कहाँ कैसे कैसे मैं इनको यूज़ कर सकता हूँ. तो इसलिए ये बहुत ही क्वेश्चन इम्पोर्टेंट है. इनको टीचर्स को भी, अपने जो भी टीचर्स इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग टीचर्स हैं, मीन्स जो स्पोकन इंग्लिश को डेवलप करने के लिए स्कूल में जो टीचर्स रखे गए हैं, वो उन टीचर्स के लिए भी बहुत ही यूज़फुल क्वेश्चंस हैं ये. तो ये क्वेश्चंस लिए जा सकते हैं और इन क्वेश्चंस से बच्चों को बोलने में हेल्प की जा सकती है और उनको मोटिवेट किया जा सकता है बच्चों को इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को डेवलप करने में, बोलने में. यह सब उनके लिए है जो स्कूल से अपना नहीं डेवलप कर पा रहे हैं, या जो टीचर्स नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, या जो ट्यूटर्स, जो पेरेंट्स हैं वो भी अपने बच्चों को अपने घर पर ट्रेनिंग देना चाहते हैं. तो इससे बढ़िया और बेस्ट उनके लिए कुछ नहीं है. एंड दिस इज़ द, ये बहुत ही परफेक्ट प्लान है. अगर इन क्वेश्चंस को आप करते रहते हैं तो आपके बच्चे बिना कुछ किए, आपके महीने 2 महीने में इन क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस करते हुए बच्चे अपने आप बोलने लगते हैं. तो आइए हम प्रैक्टिस करते हैं इन क्वेश्चंस की. आपका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग दीज डेज. तो व्हाट आर यू डूइंग दीज डेज, देयर आर वेरी सिंपल आंसर्स. आई एम टीचिंग माई स्टूडेंट्स दीज डेज. आई एम मेकिंग videos these days. I am talking to my students these days, and I am thinking a lot of things these days. I am making some of the future plans these days, so I am doing a lot of things these days. And what are you reading in your school these days? I am reading mathematics in my school these days. I am reading civics in my school these days. I am reading history at chapter number 4 these days. In mathematics, I am reading average these days. In English, I am reading passive voice these days. In science, I am reading about calipers these days. I am reading about electricity and water these days. And in geography, I am reading about maps these days. And in this way, a lot of things I am reading these days in my school. And 5 or 6 chapters daily, or 5 or 6 subjects I am reading daily these days. What are the teachers doing these days? What are the teachers doing these days? The teachers are teaching in schools these days, and some of the teachers are waiting for their turn to come to school these days because corona period is running, and some of the schools are not haven't opened yet. So they are waiting at their homes for their schools to call them, and some of the teachers are coming to school daily, and the teachers are teaching their children daily. Teachers are watching the behavior of their children daily. Teachers are planning to conduct the exams in school, and the teachers are also planning to make their lesson plans. Teachers are making lesson plans these days. Teachers are deciding what questions are useful for the children, and then they are making the test papers these days. Some of the teachers are collecting fees these days. Some of the teachers are asking for their salaries from the schools these days. So there are a lot of things that teachers are doing these days. They are checking the children's copies these days. They are dictating questions and answers to the students these days, and they are punishing students these days. They are asking students to come to school in time these days. So a lot of things teachers are doing these days. And what are your friends doing these days? What are my friends doing these days? Some of my friends are going to college these days. Some of my friends are coming with me to school these days. Some of my friends are doing their jobs these days, and my one friend is doing job these days, and one friend is trying to get a job these days. My one friend is trying to establish his business these days, or my one friend is trying to find a good tuition these days. My one friend is taking maths tuitions these days. Most of the friends are coming with me to my school these days. They are studying in the same class with me, and they are playing different games in school these days. And after returning from school, they are helping their parents these days. They are obeying their parents these days, and they are living a very wonderful and joyful life these days. So in this way, what are my friends, what are your friends doing these days can be spoken. And what are the common people of the country doing these days? What are the common people of the country doing these days? Common people are doing the common things these days. Some of the people are worrying for their children's future, and some of the people are working hard to earn money for their family. Some of the people, or some of the common people are trying to establish their businesses. Some of the common people are watching the politics of the country very closely, which party is speaking in favor of the country and which party is not speaking in favor of the country. Some of the common people are praising the government these days, and some of the common people are not praising the country these days. Some of the common people are trying hard to develop their country and to work for their country, and some of the common people are very lazy and they are not doing well, and some of the people are trying to push their country forward. So a lot of things common people are trying to some of the common people are trying to find the right match for their children to get them married. So in this way, a lot of things are taking place in the country, and the common people are doing. And then what are the farmers doing these days? What are the farmers doing these days? So what are the farmers doing these days? Some of the farmers have grown their crops. So some of the farmers have crops in their fields. The farmers who have crops in their fields, they are protecting their crops these days. And the farmers that do not have crops in their fields, they are plowing their fields with plow. And some of the farmers are watering their fields and preparing it to plow for the next crop. And some of the farmers are studying the situation and the circumstances of the country, and they are studying which crop will be better for the country and for their own earning money. So they are studying the circumstances of the country. And in this way, some of the farmers are trying to take advice from scientists, and which crop will be better for their future, for them to earn good amount of money. And some of the farmers are getting their earth checked in labs, and they are sending the earth of their field to the labs, and they are getting it checked there. And they are trying to some of the farmers are seeking their advice from the experts, which crop will be good for the seeing the condition of the earth, which crop will be which crop will be good for the earth and for the soil in their field, and which crop will grow better in their field. Such advices they are taking, and so a lot of things in this way the farmers are doing. And then is the next thing is what are the farmers doing these days, and then what is your brother doing these days, what is my brother doing these days. My brother is getting up early in the morning these days, and then he is taking exercises these days, and having taken exercises he is he is having a race of 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers daily in morning. These days he is taking this race, and my brother is also helping my father in his work, and then he is also helping me in my studies these days. He is going to college these days and taking one tuition in mathematics, and he is becoming an apple of the eye these days, and everyone is loving him, and everyone loves him. So he is he is also preparing for competitive exams, and he is using every minute of the day very wonderfully and very skillfully. And so he, in this way, he is teaching me how to live a life these days. And then what the next question is, what are the businessmen doing these days? This question can be read here. What are the businessmen doing these days? So this question is, what are the businessmen doing these days? The businessmen are trying to, what are the businessmen, the corona period is running these days, and as corona period is running, the businesses have slumped down and have gone down very badly these days. So businessmen are trying to resettle their business these days. They are studying the conditions of the market, and they are preparing their products, or they are making their products, new products, and they are making their products, and they are trying to launch their products into the market. And some of the businessmen who have already launched their products, they are studying market, and trying to understand how the sale can be increased, or how they can increase the sale of their product. So many businessmen are looking for the opportunity to sell their product in the market. Some of the businessmen are trying to take their money back from the market, and then they are trying to start some new type of business, or another business they are trying to start. So in this way we must understand that businessmen are also doing their businessmen are also doing hard work, and they are also planning to take their country forward, or they are also trying to take their country forward, and they are doing everything possible to make their country a highly developed country. And in this way, whatever is possible they are doing. And many more sentences can be spoken in this way about the businessmen. They are doing one thing, second thing, another thing, another thing, another thing. And then is what is the government doing these days? This is the kind of question everybody can speak hundreds of words if he thoughtfully speaks. Like what is government doing these days? Government is watching closely the situation in Afghanistan. The government is watching closely the situation in America. The government is watching carefully the situation in Pakistan, and then the government is also watching carefully the conditions, or the things, or the situation taking place in our country India, that different people are doing different things, and they are speaking in a different way. So government is watching them closely. Corona period is running these days, so government is running a vaccination program in the country. Government is giving vaccination to every person in the country. They are trying to save every person in the country. They are they are working hard in the country, and they are doing every possible effort they are making to save every person in the country. And the opposite leaders are attacking them, and they are also trying, they are also giving a befitted reply to the opposite leaders in the country. So in this way the government is also doing a lot of things. They are doing work, government is doing work in the field of research, the government is doing a lot of work in the field of development, the government is doing in the field of politics, the government is doing in the field of business. They are taking very wonderful decisions. Recently Nitin Gadkari has taken one decision that they are making a highway in a near future. They are making a highway that from Mumbai to Delhi, and it will give the facility to people to reach from Mumbai to Delhi in 12 hours. So a lot of things government is taking, and a lot of things are changing in the country because of the government. And after the government, there's another question: what are the leaders of the opposite party doing these days? So the leaders of the opposite party are attacking the government these days. They are looking for a new issues, and they are making the issues controversial in the country, and they are putting those controversial issues in front of the public, and they are trying to incite the people to vote against the government in the coming elections. They are doing everything whatever they can do. They are doing that, and just trying to make people against the government. And they are also making collaborations. The parties are collaboration. One party is making collaboration with another party, and they in this way they are trying to unite and affect the election of the country. So they are doing everything, and they are trying to come into the power in after the next election. So this is they are doing. They are opposing the government. Whatever government is doing, they are opposing them, and they are blaming them. Whatever happens, whatever is happening in the country, they are opposing the government for everything. And they are in this way they are doing a lot of things. A lot of things can be spoken about opposite party doing these days. And what is running in politics these days? So you can say that a blame game is running in politics these days. One party is accusing another party. Those who are in opposition, they are blaming the government, and the government is blaming the opposite party leaders, and they are blaming one another, and they are throwing their ball to, means one party of the opposition is throwing their ball towards the government, and government is pushing that ball back to the opposite party leaders. And such game is running in politics, and they are in this way they are making a lot of plans, like a lot of plans they are making. They are trying to defame government. Opposite party leaders are trying to defame government, and government is also trying to defame the opposite party leaders. And in this work they are trying to, means opposite party leaders are doing their best to win the support of the people of the country, and the government is also trying to show the opposite parties that they are winning the support of the country, and they have the support of the country. In this way they are conducting a lot of things in the country. So these things are taking place in politics. And then the next question is: what are the children of your class doing at the moment? What are the children of your class doing at the moment? This is just you can see, the children can see around them, and they can speak that some of the children are making noise, some of the children are studying their books, some of the children are looking at the board, some of the children are looking at me, some of the children are sitting silently and doing nothing, and some of the children are thinking something in their minds. Some of the children are writing some answers in there, or whatever they are writing, but some of the children are writing, some of the children are looking out of the gate, and some of the children are looking at the roof, at the ceiling, not roof, and some of the children are just itching their back, and some of the children are quarreling with one another, some of the children are just reading loudly, and some of the children are reading silently. So in this way a lot of sentences here too can be spoken. And what is the Indian Army doing these days? So Indian Army is planning, the Indian Army is conducting then their own exercises in their camps these days. They are running a training to their they are giving training to their soldiers, to their newly recruited soldiers. They are giving training these days. They are also studying the conditions of the border and understanding what new techniques of war can be developed, and they are trying to develop those techniques these days. They are supplying a good they are making good supply to their soldiers these days. They are they are supporting their soldiers these days. They are also moving their army from one post to another post, or from one camp to another camp these days. They are closely watching the circumstances in to the other side of the boundary, or they are also watching the circumstances of Pakistan these days, what Pakistan is doing. They are watching closely the border, and if it is safe or not safe. All these things army is doing these days. What are you doing tomorrow? I am going to get up early in the morning tomorrow. Then I am going to temple tomorrow, and after having returned from temple, I am going to play a match tomorrow. I am also going to attend my new tuition class tomorrow. I am also making 2 videos tomorrow, or I am making 3 videos tomorrow. I am celebrating my friend's birthday party tomorrow. I am attending my friend's birthday party tomorrow, and I am going to my friend's house tomorrow. I am going to my uncle's home tomorrow. I am going to market with my father and buying new shoes tomorrow. I am watching a new movie with my friends tomorrow. In this way a lot of sentences can be spoken, and doesn't mean the sentences that I am speaking right now, they are only a model. I mean to say is that in this way sentences can be spoken, but it doesn't mean that only what I am speaking, these sentences are right and they should be spoken and no other sentence can be taken. Teachers must take their own sentences and must what according to children, the sentences that are fit according to children, those sentences must be taken, and children must be made to speak those sentences. So in this way I said what are you doing tomorrow, and what are you doing on coming Diwali. So what are you doing on coming Diwali? A lot of things I am doing on coming Diwali. This coming Diwali I am worshipping Lakshmi and Ganesh. I am decorating my house, and I am bursting crackers on Diwali, and apart from bursting crackers, I am decorating my house, and I am also distributing sweets to my neighbors, and I am going to wish my neighbors on Diwali, and I am also wishing my friends and my relatives on Diwali. I am congratulating them on Diwali, and I am also distributing a lot of gifts to my subordinates on Diwali. I am doing a lot of things on Diwali on the coming Diwali. ओके सो इन दिस वे, इस तरह से ऐसे सेंटेंसेस आप लोग बोल सकते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स को हेल्प कर सकते हैं, और ये क्वेश्चंस बहुत ही वंडरफुली काम करेंगे, लेकिन यह करके ही देखा जा सकता है, ऐसे नहीं। तो आज के लिए इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे I shall give you one more video. Meanwhile, you keep practicing these questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.